It's the right thing to do.
Oh, this is the one that was giving us trouble yesterday afternoon.
Why not? Why not just,
while we're here,
do the right thing, right?
Yeah, get it out, get it handled.
Exactly.
And then we'll test it again, and then we celebrate.
No, I'm not going to test it. Are you kidding? I know my work's good.
Oh, I know. But we want to play with it. And it's fun to video it in action.
Well, of course.
It's, everybody gets excited when they see this with the top down. And they're like, oh my God.
It's a completely different car.
Yeah. It's like, oh, hey. And then once that's handled and good to go, then we can put all the back seat and the tonneau cover back.
Yeah, and have that out of your way.
Yeah, which is good because I'm going to move the other bird probably tonight or tomorrow. Fun. With the man, the myth, the legend.
That other T-Bird, I'm really wondering if it's not your top switch on the car.
I'm thinking it might be. I was thinking of pulling it out and kind of jumpering it.
Do that.
Yeah.
If you have a spare 5 minutes, do that and see what happens.
Yeah, and then if it works, then just get a top switch.
Then get a top switch, and it'd be very simple.
Yeah, because it worked great, and then like I said, it went down for casual concourse, and it never came back up again.
I had that happen on a 64 recently. That's why I'm and as I sort of went in there and pushed in the switch and played with it a little bit, it worked. But
a little intermittent fun.
The homosexual who owns the car wouldn't do that.
I knew there was a reason why I loved you.
You don't own a T-Bird, do you, Scott?
No, I do not.
Because
you have a Jaguar problem.
Yes, I have a Jaguar problem.
Oh, I can't help you. I only do Jaguar for myself.
Well, I'm going to be doing Jaguar for myself. I'm going to be replacing all of the bushings.
Oh, good.
Frame, panhard bar, control arms, the whole 9 yards.
Yeah.
But because of my situation, I can do way more to my car than a lot of other people can.
That's right.
So I will have dual exhaust with an X pipe, yanking the transmission out, and I'm changing it over to a 6-speed standard.
He's going to get crazy.
Oh, you're going to get crazy.
Crazy. John's got the replacement.
And you had it on the charger all night, right?
Yes, and they just moved it over here this morning.
Okay.
So it has charged all night. Are we ready to... Ooh.
Let's turn it on, baby.
Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that.
We are erecting the top.
Oh, yeah, there she goes. Beautiful. All right.
I'm going to stop it there because I want to check the fluid level in the reservoir.
All right. But look at that. Seems pretty good, yeah?
Yeah, so far.
Oh, yeah. I got air.
I think a little bit.
Just a little bit. Needs a little burpy.
We're burping it some.
So now we're going top down. A little help, like you described yesterday.
Did you say you were going to be ordering some more stuff?
Yes.
If you can get a new set of these top pads.
The top pads.
They're called a top pad seal. Rubber the right way, steel rubber. T-Bird places all have them.
Gotcha.
Because these are really shot.
Yeah, they're bad.
They're a metal piece that's covered in rubber, and the metal piece you know, is rusted through,
Oh yeah, it's
and then it sits on your car here and drops little pieces of rust.
yeah, it makes nasty marks like this.
Yeah, so you want to be careful.
So we'll get him that.
There's a screw over here that somebody like put all the way through. It's not hitting anything, but you know, it's
Scary. Yeah, this one's this way too. There's one over here as well.
Okay.
So, all right, we'll get that.
Do you want top up or top down?
Let's leave it down because we'll
It's
put
easy
the
to work on.
we'll put all the back seat and the tonneau cover on it. Look at that with the clicker.
Be sure not to get your fingers caught during this process.
Oh yeah, that does not sound like it's fun.
All
And
right.
there she is, all done.
When remember, when you're putting that top down, make sure you're back here holding this thing for
Support.
a little while until some of the air cycles out of it.
Gotcha. We will support it.
All right.